Hey, how are you today? I'm Andrew with GC Termite Control, and today I'm going to be talking to you about our repair and restoration services. GC Termite Control has been assisting the San Diego community since 2010. We can help you in repairing or restoring your property back to its original condition after it has been damaged by termites, wood rot, or other pests. All of our work includes a complimentary paint match. They are VA and FHA approved, and we can apply custom cuts to any of the pieces that we replace as well. They are completed by a professional team, and you can be rest assured that they're going to be completed in the proper way. You can look at the pictures that are on this website and judge it yourself. Give us a call at 619-421-2101, and we'll be more than happy to set up a complimentary no obligation estimate. That way we can go out to your property, look at what's going on, and let you know how we can be of assistance. Give us a call today. I'll be waiting for your call.